Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W-20 motor oil. Positive number 1, 0W-20 Full Synthetic. It flows at cold start like water in January, which is the moment your engine eats 80% of its lifetime wear. That's tribochemistry, not marketing. The API SP Dextro 1 Gen 3 stack means this clears the bar for modern GTI engines that run hot and dirty. It flows really well when it's cold. Subaru engineers spec this engine at 4.8 quarts out of a 5-quart jug. That's 96% of a container, which means I'm now storing 8 ounces of synthetic oil in my garage like some kind of petroleum hoarder. My Hinge profile already says that I'm complicated. I don't need the jug to confirm it. Positive number 2, 3x viscosity breakdown resistance is real. Shear stability in a 0W-20 matters because thin oils under high RPM want to drop water consistently fast. And a formulation that fights that, genuinely extending your drain interval. I'm not claiming it. 10,000 miles between changes is aggressive, but defensible if you're not towing or doing track days. Here is a negative. 2 complaints in the reviews about oil arriving dark. And look, synthetic additives can be amber to dark brown straight out of the bottle. That's the additive package, not used oil. But the packaging damage complaints are real. And a leaking 5-quart jug in an Amazon box is a smell your garage will remember longer than your daughters remember whose turn it is to feed the dog. And the answer you've been waiting for? Here's the marketing silence that actually matters. Castrol doesn't list the base oil group, the ZDDP levels, or the TBN, which are the 3 numbers a chemist actually uses to evaluate a lubricant. API SP and ILSIC GF6 certification tells you it passed the test, not how much headroom it has before it fails yours.